it's a giant circle.
Big circle.
We are paddling 25 miles of the Black Creek. So we're gonna camp on a sandbar tonight. Been 9 years since I've been on this creek. It's still as pretty as ever. Talk to you later. Attempt the video. Beautiful river. Brings back a lot of memories. About to scrape on something. Anyway, so we're gonna stop for lunch here in a little bit. There's a river back there. So here we are, lunch spot number 1. Current's really good, very easy float. Some obstacles, but nothing we can't handle yet. So we're stopping for lunch.
Hey, you. You want an orange?
Hi, here we are, camp for the night. We're a little less than halfway, so we're gonna have a little bit more of a paddle to do tomorrow. Beautiful sandbar. Paddle was really good. Got a little moving water, felt nice. And now we're setting up camp, and we should be off the river by early afternoon tomorrow. So this is Black Creek in south central Mississippi. What book are you reading, Ben?
It's a book about pre-Socratic philosophers.
Sounds...
I feel judged. As I'm saying it, I feel judged.
Firewood.
I'll make a fire.
I'll make a fire.
I'm gonna make a fire out here in Mississippi. Looks like you're gonna make a bonfire, bro.
We're gonna set the whole of Mississippi on fire. Hey, want an orange?
No, I don't want a damn orange.
Want an orange?
Great.
Campfire going. There's Cody. There's Ben. We're having some whiskey and wine, enjoying the evening.
Good old boys on the levee.
Our good old boys. Staying warm. Good sleep, nice and cool out. Ran across some rabid monkeys that have taken over our boats. And I have a feeling he's gonna pull an orange out. He's looking for it. Freaking oranges. At 9 o'clock last night, he asked us if we wanted an orange. Anyway, we're heading out. My phone is just about dead. I bought the wrong charger, so I'm gonna shoot as much video as I can until it dies. Until then, later. Well, we're approaching the takeout of Cypress. It's right over there, somewhere over there. Good paddle, good day, good company, and Happy New Year.